Look at a Toblerone box, a wooden log, and a water tank. What do these shapes have in common? They all have the same shape at the top and bottom. They are called prisms. A right prism is a solid shape with two identical flat faces called bases. These bases are parallel, and the side faces connecting them are all rectangles standing straight up. The rectangular faces on the sides are called lateral surfaces. The edges where two lateral surfaces meet are called lateral edges. Notice every lateral edge is vertical, standing straight up. The altitude is the perpendicular distance between the two bases. In a right prism, the altitude equals the lateral edge because everything stands at 90 degrees to the base. An apex is the pointed top where edges meet, like on a pyramid, but prisms have no apex. A prism has a flat base on top and bottom. Remember, apex belongs to pyramids, not
Example
prisms.
1.
This cuboid is a rectangular prism. It has two rectangular bases on top and bottom. The four lateral surfaces are also rectangles. Let us count the vertical edges connecting the two bases. 1, 2, 3, 4 lateral edges. The altitude is the height of the prism. For a right prism, altitude equals the lateral edge length. Example 2. Here is a pentagonal prism. The base is a pentagon with 5 sides. So how many lateral surfaces does it have? Each side of the base gives one rectangular lateral face. The pentagonal prism has 5 lateral edges, one at each corner of the base. Here is a useful rule. The number of lateral edges always equals the number of sides of the base. Common mistake. Students confuse right prisms with oblique prisms. In a right prism, lateral edges are perpendicular to the base. If the prism leans to one side, it is oblique, not a right prism. Right means upright. A right prism stands straight with rectangular sides, 2 equal bases, rectangular lateral faces, and no apex. If it stands straight, it is a right prism. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.